Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Forex right here. In today's video I'm just going to be showing you the uses of MT5, how to use MT5 function effectively for proper and professional trading. Probably you might be using MT5 for long and you have limited the uses of MT5 to just buying and selling and setting your stop loss and take profit. You have limited it. So in this video I'll break down everything you need to know, all the function on MT5, how to use it effectively, all the function you did not know that it is available on MT5 before. I will break down everything to you. Most especially, there is a function on MT5 where if you mistakenly enter a trade with big lot size and you want to reduce the lot size and still be holding the trade. In this video I will break down everything to you. So right now I'm going to share my phone screen to the side of this video so you can go see along with me. Probably I'm going to be using an Android device. If you are using an iPhone and you find this function about MT5F, you can comment in this video so I can do a video using an iOS device to explain about this function on an iOS device. So without further ado, so let's dive into the video. So right here on my screen, this is the MT5 interface. This video I will explain all the functions you need to know about the code section, chart section, trade section and history section. I will explain everything to you so you can know everything. So right on this code section, I'm just going to be firstly explain this code section. On this code, click on this three line at the top. After clicking on the three dots, click on setting. So this is very important to set up something right here. So on this setting right here, you can see that choose them. You can change it to black or white background, anything you want, but the preferable one is white. If you change it to white on your chart, you can be able to see it very clearly. So after that, the sign that you to make when we place an order or we buy or a set stop loss, the sign you can on the sign or off the sign right here. This is the sign or that sign. You can on it right here if you want it to be on. And also nothing if you want to be showing, if you want it to be showing that, like if you are on 15-minute time frame, now you're going to be seeing as the candle is being open and the time is being counting per minute per second is being counting. If you want it to be showing, that is advanced mode. Just turn that on and we'll come back to that, to this our quote interface. In this our quote interface, if you at the top right here, you can see plus sign here. You can add any currency pair you want to add it to your quote. You can add it to it. So forex pair, commodity pair, depending on the broker that you are using or the platform that you are using, currency pair that are available to trade there. So you can just add it to it. And if you want to delete anything, just click on this pencil icon at the top right here. If you want to delete anything, if you click on this delete and click on the pair you want to delete and click on delete, it's going to be deleted. That's how you can delete any pair you do not want on your quote. So that is that about this quote section. The next section I'm going to be talking about now is chart section. So right here on the chart section, I will explain the function of this chart section also to you so you can know how to use this chart section effectively. So right now, today is actually Sunday. Forex market is being closed, so I'll be using BTC USD as an example. So right here on my chart, you can see right here on my chart, if I click on this buy, I'm getting an entry on BTC USD. You can click on this icon to hide this buy. So if you come back to your chart, you cannot mistakenly press on that buy or sell button, so you cannot make any mistake. So right now, after we click on that, you can just come and click on your entry right here, entry line right here. You can see one icon pop up, close SL TP. You can quickly set your SL and TP right here directly from the chart without going to your trade history to go and enter it. So if I click on SL, you can see a line pop up. I set my SL right here. This is just a demo account, just a practice. So we are not talking about setting up stop loss right here in this video. So if you click on your TP, you're gonna be set and you're gonna click on this arrow that faces the right hand side. So this, you can see, click on modify and SL and take profit set directly from the chart. If you come to your history now, you can see right here on our history right now, you can, if I click on it, you can see right here stop loss and take profit has been already set. Let's say if you are analyzing on your phone, you can just be minimizing your phone, set this directly. So if market become volatile, if it reverse back, it will not come and wipe out your account or drain your account. So with this, you can quickly know you can quickly know and went back to trading view on your phone to come and to go and copy the original stop loss and just to modify it so it will be at safe. And this right now, so I will not be closing this trade right now, so I will be explaining everything right here on our chart. There are more explanation I'm going to explain to you, so you need to know this. You are supposed to know this M15 minute time frame. So this place is just for you when you want to buy stop loss or when you want to buy a stop limit. Let's say you want the market to break a resistance and get an entry. You want the market to break the support, that is sell limit, and otherwise for the buy limit you want it to break the resistance, that is just it. But we are not talking about that one right here, because we are talking about direct market execution right here. So next function I'm going to be showing you on this chart interface is about how to split this chart into two. You can get two charts on single page. Most people do not talk about this, but you can get two charts on single page where you can be managing everything directly. So if I click on this, you can see, just click on your chart, a circle icon will pop up, and click on this and click on add new window. You can see new window. I've added new window. Another new window has pop up. You can see right here, you can see I get two window right here. And also if you want to remove it, just click on that, the thing that you click, and select the one you want to remove, USD, and remove, and it has been removed. That is just the next thing I'm just going to be showing you is just how to draw the way we draw on trading view, how to draw on MT5 also. So you just come here, once you come here, you can draw anything. You can see type of line. If I click on that line now, you can see I can draw anything right here. So you can also delete it. That is how, if you want to draw any line, you can check this place out. There are many drawing you can draw here. You can write also on your chart. The next place I'm going to be telling you is that where you can set everything you need to. You can see right here, you can set if you want to bar chart, candlestick. Me, I basically use candlestick. Most people basically use candlestick. That is just it about that. You can see right here, you can copy all these functions that you see right here. So you can, if you want your chart to look like my own chart, you can see right here, you can customize the color of the thing you want. But if you have set your MT5 to white background, you don't have any problem with this. So nothing much right there. Next thing I'm just going to be explaining now is just I'm going to, you can see right here, you can set your on that on right here, you can set right now I'm going to get an entry with bigger lot size on this BTC USD, and I will explain how you can lower lot size. Let's say you enter a trade now, and you have discovered that this trade is not more invalid. Instead of you getting out and if let's say you are holding a buy now and you see the trade is not invalid anymore, instead of you getting out of the trade and going for a sell, don't do that. Just reduce your loss and keep holding the buy. That is just it. So right now I'm going to be going with 0.1 on BTC now. If I go in with 0.1 now, I'm going to show you the function of reducing the lot size. You can see right now, right here on my trade, you can see right here the trade is being loaded, is in drawdown now. I will explain how you can reduce the lot size you use so you can still be holding the trade. So if it reverses back, you're gonna lose little money. Right here on our interface, you can see right here balance, equity, and margin. The balance is the current amount is in your account. The equity is just the cumulative profit plus loss is the equity. This margin and free margin and margin level percent. If you want me to explain more about it, drop your comment, so I will drop a video about that. You can see right here, this I'm talking about this drawdown on this one now. You can see, just swipe left to right here. You can see right here this thing like a note right here. Click on this note. You can come here and reduce the lot size that you have used to enter. So like this, let me use 0.009, and you will see the loss right here, close with, and you are still holding the trade without going the other direction. So if the market, once you see a bias is about to change, don't think of getting out and go in other side. Instead, reduce the lot size with this method that I just showed you. Reduce the lot size, so if anything goes wrong, it will be limited. It's not that you are not following one bias. You are just saying it is going to be buy, it is going to be sell. And that is how this function work effectively. So you can just reduce the lot size, reduce the risk, and you are still holding the trade. And if I sell it or take profit it, you are still good to go. So that is just it. Right here on our, you can see right it, other thing that you are supposed to, you will have no other thing, right? If you have anything that you don't know, just drop a comment in this video so I can do a video about that. So I have covered three section. I've talked about the code section, chart section, and trade section. The section that I'm going to be talking about is history section, where you can get to know the pair that give you most money and the one that do not give you most money. So this is and also if you want to back test, you can also check this history section in order to back test on your trading view. So this is the section I'm going to be talking about, so take note of this section. So if you have been following this video from the beginning to this place, thank you. Do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, comment below. So on my history section right here, we have position order deal at the top. So I'll be explaining the position order deal. On this position, you can click on this calendar. Now you can click on last 3 months. This is a demo account, so you can see I'm down $1,000. This is a demo account. I'm just using it to practice a volatile pairs. You can see right here BTC USD. So if I click on this dollar icon now, I can click on BTC USD. You can see BTC USD, I'm down $1,383 on BTC USD. On XAUSD, and up 305. That is a demo account. So you can see right here the profit is the profit that we have made from XAUSD. You can see the balance and the commission, the balance and the profit and the commission calculated together to give you the balance. So that is just it. You can do this in order to know the pair that give you most money, so you can backtest on TradingView correctly. If you want to backtest, if you click on that, you can see the entry time. This is the entry time and the close time. You can see no stop loss because I'm just using it to practice. So you can see the entry time and the entry time right here. This is the entry time and the close time, so you can see it there. That is just it. You can see this order when you buy and you close. You can see that is the order. That is just when you buy and you close, that is just what will be on this order. This deal, if you have an open trade and you want to check the commission they have charged on your trade, so you can just come right here. All this place will be 0.000. Let's click on today. You can see deal, our deal today, because I don't trade XAUSD today. That is just it. This is the calendar, so you can just navigate to this calendar. So that is just all this function that I have just combined all this function together, so you can understand this little function about MT5. There are a lot of function on MT5 where you can connect multiple profile accounts or multiple brokerage accounts. You can connect it together on MT5 also. I just break down this little function. So my final review about this video is just that this video that I do now, you can see right here that I do all the practice. I do it on demo account, so you also take note and do all this practice on demo account, so you can make use of this. So the best thing I want you to take note in this video is just that the section that I explained about when you mistakenly get in with a bigger lot size and you want to reduce the risk quickly without closing the trade. I have explained everything, so you can how to reduce the loss. And also one more thing I'm going to be telling you is that there are sometimes you will get an entry on a trade and maybe you go in for a buy now and you are not sure enough that this trade is going to become a sell. Don't close that trade and go in for a sell. So just use this method that I explained to reduce the lot size that you are using. So if anything goes wrong, you not lose tangible money, you just lost little, or even the trade might have went up and tight stop loss or break even, so you not lost everything. That is just how you use. If you want more video about this Forex knowledge, so you can do way to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, comment in this video. So you can do way to check out my Telegram link in this video description, so you can join my Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel, I do not drop signal. I only analyze the trade that I want to trade. I analyze it I do a video about that or talk about that this is going to be the bias. I don't drop signal is not supposed to be your. I will teach you how to generate signal by yourself for free inside my Telegram channel by just looking how the trade that I do. You can check it out. So if you find this video helpful, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and comment any question that you have below. See you in the next video.